Here's a look at the parallels between both tragedies and suspects.
Appalachian High School in Winder, Georgia is more than 600 miles from Parkland, Florida, where in 2018 our hearts broke after the senseless shooting at Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School.
Eerily familiar.
Michael Haggard knows mass shootings all too well. He has represented the families of victims from several mass shootings, including MSD, here at home. Haggard, like so many, is still digesting the information that is trickling down about the shooter in Georgia. We are just learning the 14-year-old had shown interest in prior mass shootings, in particular, the Parkland shooting at MSD.
The FBI, unfortunately, knew about it. Local authorities knew about it. Maybe even more than in Parkland from the preliminary indications, and nothing was done.
In May of last year, a sheriff's investigator interviewed the boy, then 13 years old, after getting a tip from the FBI about a possible threat to shoot up his middle school.
You keep hearing, I can't believe it happened here. It can happen anywhere.
After all the school shootings we've seen in this country, Haggard says lack of coordination between the school district and law enforcement is disturbing. After Parkland, a good number of things changed here in Florida. For some example, red flag laws that now monitor individuals who pose a risk. In the Georgia case, we also know that in the 2023 interview with law enforcement, the investigator urged the boy's father to keep his firearms locked away and told him to keep his son out of school.
Here you have a gun owner, for the life of me, a father, who has these guns available for a 14-year-old, especially an AR-15. I mean, you got to be kidding me.
Haggard says meaningful reform is desperately needed in this country.
We are the only country in the world that has this problem. That is an indisputable fact. And there's a reason for it, and it's our lack of gun laws.
The Georgia school shooting suspect will make his first court appearance virtually, and that's scheduled for tomorrow morning at 8:30. We, of course, will keep you posted on what happens.